Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
I think there is nothing happens.
Okay.
Because I have no toes, I think my whole life I have
Compensating
my body. So now I'm older, I'm getting older, that my body has says, no.
It's too much.
It's too much.
So overwork, overtime from compensation. Okay. So how long you have been having back pain? For how long? How many years?
20 years.
20 years.
Yes.
Okay. And where do you feel the pain and how much pain from 0 to 10?
I feel it here and
in the lower back.
In the lower back and
on
in
the right
my
glute.
Yes. And yes.
How much pain from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room, 0 is no pain.
5.
5. Is that constant or comes and goes?
Most ofly constant.
So constant pain. So
yeah.
Just sitting like this, you experiencing the pain.
Yes.
Okay. Is there any activity that aggravate your symptoms?
No.
Like bending forward, standing,
no.
It does not make it sore. It's
no,
all
standing,
the time.
I have a long standing on one side, then I got more
pain.
More pain.
So at worst, how much pain from 0 to 10? Like when it's really bad?
Oh, it's 8.
8, okay.
And then it go to my
so it's
hamstring.
Radiating down to your hamstring,
yes.
Okay.
Then it's burning, my hamstring is going like it's on fire.
Burning, okay.
Yes,
burning sensation.
So
it's radiated down to your feet, to
yes.
the bottom of your feet, the front, where?
Here. It's
here.
It's like when you have an operation, there is no
sensation.
Yes.
So you lose sensation
yes.
when you stand. But do you
no,
have
also.
You don't have sensation now?
A little.
A little sensation.
Yes.
So she has decreased sensation. You see the question I'm asked? Okay. So sensation, numbness, and here sharp pain or numbness. What kind of, how you describe your pain? Burning only or?
Here in the hamstring it's burning in a long stand. And
what kind of treatment did you have for this? Physical therapy, chiropractor, okay.
Not cupping.
Cupping, okay.
Dorn therapy. Dorn, they said, Dorn.
Dermatology?
Dorn. D-O-R-N.
What is that? Well, you guys, you are from Holland, yeah?
Yes.
So it's different than United States. I did not hear about this. I don't know if it's here too. I don't know. I never heard it.
Yeah, correction of your the correction of your
pelvis.
Yes.
It's kind of mobilization or something like that.
Yes, mobilization.
Okay, so it's a different type of joint mobilization. There's different types.
I've been in MRI and they said no, I have arthritis, so go.
You
home.
had MRI,
yes.
MRI images, and they said you have arthritis in your back.
Yes, in my back and in my ankle.
Your ankle arthritis.
So go home and
live with it. Okay. Well, sorry about that.
So I live it.
Okay.
With it.
Yeah, we'll work on it. So if we want to aggravate your symptoms here, it's more on the right side, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. You feel the tightness in your fascia here?
Yes.
You guys see this?
Yeah.
It's stuck.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a little bit tight here. You feel that? You see that? Yeah. Yeah. Look at this. You see that?
Yeah.
How's that?
Good. It's painful.
Sorry, what about now?
Good.
Okay. So very gentle because she still have inflammation. Make sure you tell me, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it too much or it's okay?
It's too much.
Sorry. So you still have inflammation, so that's probably I will recommend to use the Magna Heal because she has, she's not tolerating the tools. How's that?
It's okay.
Mm-hmm. Look at this. This is very good. See that? Mm-hmm. And you hear that? And we're gonna see the map with the scar tissue after we finish with ASTR tools. Look at this. Look at the vibration.
Yeah.
Okay. She see it. She definitely can see it, can feel it too. There you go. Sorry.
You say pain free.
Yeah, just make sure you tell me, not kick me, okay? All right. Okay.
What's it?
But how is the standing? And the other position we did is prone. So I will have her get to a prone position and give me a feedback. How's the standing?
Now good.
Good or no?
Yeah,
good, good. Okay, let's lie in your stomach because that was a position that you said it was radiating to the hamstring.
Yes.
So we'll have her lie. You see, you wanna try those positions to know are you done or you just need to keep going. How is that?
Now in my hamstring,
Hmm?
it's good.
Okay. It's time to wake up, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's get, we'll have you sit up. So what do you think about ASTR treatment? We just worked on it, like compared to what you had before. Can you tell a difference?
But the pain
Well,
is gone.
The pain is gone because your scar tissue is very thick. It's going to take several sessions, so you guys can work on each other. Because it's extremely thick, like the width, it's this width, so it's like 2 inches. My expectation is not going to be one session to really get that big scar tissue. But as long as your pain is gone, that's very good. So you can function while we see you in the next visit to totally get rid of it. Okay, it might take you a few visits. It depends on how long it's going to take. What do you think?
You may stay.
All right, awesome. Thank you. Can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.